Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Draft Hero. Coming to you today to show you the 2024 Draft Hero Live Sync with Sleeper app. I've got the Sleeper draft room open over here. I'm going to set up a mock draft, and I've got the Draft Hero open in another tab here as well. So I'm going to go through adding your league to check in your settings for your league, and then of course the live sync, and you guys can see how it all works. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is I have a draft set up here on Sleeper. I'm just going to click on that, and I got a 12 team set up here on Sleeper. If you're doing a mock draft, just FYI, you can click right here, and you can edit your draft settings and stuff here if you want to do 10 teams or 12 teams. But I'm doing 12 teams, PPR, Snake, of course. And all right, so here's my league ID for Sleeper. We're gonna go ahead and go to the Draft Hero now and add the league. So getting started up here, add the league. This is Sleeper. We're gonna just name this. You can name it whatever. I'm just gonna put mock draft test. So we're gonna add our league. Sync now. It ends in 4400. The league ID, make sure it matches. Up here in the URL, it matches. Ends in 4400. So we're gonna go ahead and sync now. All right, it's got everything synced. I'm going to claim team number 6, so I'll go ahead and do that now. And I'll just do a refresh on the screen. If you're doing if you have a regular league and you already, you guys have your team names and all of that, you can, you won't have to do any of that part. You'll have, team names in here already, in your draft room. And when you add your league, all those team names and stuff should come over. But you do want to make sure of that. So I'm going to be team number 6. So I'm going to edit team names. Team number 6 is going to be the Great Gatsby. I'm going to make sure to click save. And again, if you want to edit the draft order, this is the area where you would do this. If for some reason, when you add your league over, that the draft order comes over wrong, literally a few simple clicks and you're right back on track. You just click and you can drag these up and down. So, for instance, if I were in the 12th spot, I would just click my team name and drag it down to the 12th spot, click and save, and then, of course, select my team. I am the Great Gatsby is my name on here. And there you go. Draft position's 12. So then I'll fix this on, put it back, because I'm going to be in the 6th spot for this draft. All right, make sure to click save. All right, everything looks good. Non-starters, 7 bench spots, 16 rounds. Everything is synced well. So we're going to go to sync the draft. You're always going to make sure to click the start draft sync before your draft starts. So we'll do that now. Start draft sync. And then we'll start the mock draft over here on Sleeper. So we'll click start the draft now on Sleeper, and you should see these automatically start populating over to the Draft Hero in real time. So here we go. Once it gets to you, it's going to alert you and pop up. It's recommended Ja'Marr Chase. So you make your picks in your leagues, whatever site's hosting your league is where you pick. You never make your picks in the Draft Hero, but on your site that you're seeking with. So you make your picks in Sleeper. Ja'Marr Chase. So I pick. Should start updating again. Everything's smooth. All the picks are coming through. When it's your pick again, it'll recommend again. It's recommending Josh Allen. I mean, you can always take the recommendations, or as you can see here, it still has all of the top players at the positions left. You can also change from top 5 recommended to average draft position, and by ADP, these are the guys that are supposed to go next ADP wise. So you have a couple of different options there. I'm going to go ahead and just pick Josh Allen. Everything's updating again. All right, so recommended Mark Andrews at tight end. Super simple, works really well with the Sleeper app, and you can see on on Sleeper as well. It says Draft Hero Sync right here. That lets you know that it is, the sync is working. All right, it's back on us. Recommends Cooper Cup. And that's pretty much it. It works really smooth. It's done well with Sleeper all year long. And that's how you set it up from start to finish. And like I said, always check your league settings once you add your league, just to assure everything populates over. And it's super easy to make adjustments to your settings. If for some reason something didn't come over, you can easily adjust your settings before your league starts. I always recommend doing mock drafts, no matter what site you sync with. Just assures that you're able to navigate, the draft hero as well, and you know what to look for. And just to make sure that everything's working correctly before your actual draft. All right. If you guys have any questions, you can always email us at support at Draft Hero. We appreciate it. Good luck this season.